All right, guys, next up is our tornado kick. This is where things start to get a little bit trickier. We add some spins and some jumps all in the same skill. So first we're gonna come back to that round kick that we did in level 1, but we're gonna spice it up a little bit by adding a hop and a switch to it, okay? So Coach Alice is gonna start standing on his right foot. He likes doing round kicks with his right foot, so he's gonna start standing on that one. Left leg is up. From here, he's gonna jump, twist his hips, and fire out that round kick. Boom, just like that. Noticing that the kick comes across the front, and then lands over on the other side, okay? So one more time, we start standing on the leg that does the kick. Hop, switch, just like that, okay? Next, we are going to actually start backwards to our target now, because now we gotta add the spin part, okay? So Coach House is facing away from his target. The most important part here, twist and find your target first before you start doing anything else. Too many people try to lift too soon and their kick gets all wonky. So we're twisted here. Now we can lift up that left leg, bring it across for our hop switch, okay? So we've got our twist, we've got our jump, we've got our switch. Now we're gonna make it a little bit stronger by adding a step in the front. So now we're back to facing towards our target here. We're gonna step across, making a 180. Now from here we can turn and look, pick up that leg, hop and switch, and that is our tornado kick, okay? Simple as that. When we start going a little bit faster, it starts to flow a little nicer. Check it out. Last little tips for this one, again, really make sure that you twist and look first before you start picking legs up. Second, try using this kick to give you some extra momentum to go into something else, like a spin hook kick, okay? So we can do maybe tornado kick. As we land facing more away from the target, let's just turn right into our spin hook kick and then do maybe a cartwheel after it. Okay, so you can see in that example, he actually goes from kicking with his right foot. As it lands, he twists and look and uses his left foot, okay? Just mixing it up a little bit. That is our tornado kick.